Hi there, everyone. Ms. Kasky and I want you to use the simulator to build some electric circuits since we don't have all the materials at home. So I just want to show you the basics. You can grab materials over here on the left side and drag them out onto the blue field where you can put things together. And so wires, batteries, light bulbs. There's a bunch of other stuff. If you scroll down, scroll back up, great. You can connect those pieces together. Like I can take this wire and I can connect it to the battery where the two red circles join. Now it's connected. And then I can connect the light bulb onto the other end of the wire. Great. But if I decided I goofed up, you can disconnect these things. Click on a joint, and where the scissors pop up, click the scissors. Now it's disconnected and I can move these things all over the place. And yeah, it goes a little bit wonky. Over on the right side, there are some other controls. Show electric current. You can turn it on or off. When Ms. Kasky or I ask you about the electric current, you may want it on. Labels, values, those aren't the biggest deals. But when you make measurements, we're going to have you use this voltmeter, and you can drag that out. And then you can move the test leads around and put those to places on the field. And it'll measure some voltages. Great. An ammeter. This thing, you move the target around to particular spots and it'll measure the current. And then if you need to get rid of pieces or change some values, you can click directly on those pieces. Like if I want to get rid of this wire altogether, I can just click right on the wire, hit the garbage can, gets rid of it. If I need to change values, like on, say, the light bulb, I can change what this resistance is. If I need to get rid of it, garbage can. And then the battery, you can even flip the batteries around or change its value, get rid of it. That's it. Good luck.